Alright, another day, another EcoBoost Escape. This is a 2015. Customer came in, said he had no power brakes. It was very hard to stop. A lot of Ford vehicles, the power brake booster does go bad on them. I'm not sure if this is one of them, but I'm sure there's a good possibility that it is. Anyway, today that's not the issue that we're having. So on this vehicle, there is a vacuum pump which produces the vacuum to the brake booster, which is way back there. It connects here. So the first thing I did was disconnect and check to see if there's vacuum, and there was none. So for all intents and purposes, the booster could still very well be good, and probably is. Took the power vacuum pump off, vacuum pump off, and found that this little coupler here was just floating around in between the rear of the front intake camshaft, which this is driven by, and the pump. When we investigate, we find that indeed those threads are sheared off inside the camshaft. I don't know why they decided that the idea was good to use a coupler as such, because you could have just put a shear pin through this like some older Honda distributors had, and then if it seizes, it just shears the pin. No harm, no foul. Instead, we're going to be extracting what's left of these threads in the camshaft, hopefully, or drilling them. And then we're going to replace these two units and hopefully have power brakes again. So if you have an Escape and you don't have power brakes, first thing to do is check your vacuum. If you don't have any vacuum, your next step is to check this.